Hey guys, I wanted to take you through creating your own Pinterest graphic using our favorite platform, Canva. So I'm actually in our Canva now, and this is where we house all of our designs as well as our clients' designs. So I'm just going to show you a couple things about the homepage. There's so much to go into here that I'm trying not to overwhelm you all. I'm just going to give you the rough idea of how to make a really great Pinterest graphic, and then I'm going to let you guys play around with it. So you'll see in here, we're on the homepage. This will show you ideas of creating Pinterest pins, Facebook posts, Instagram stories. These are all set to the specific size they need to be. This shows you your ideas or your designs that you've created already. Here are some Instagram post ideas, Facebook post ideas, logos, flyers. Literally, there are so many different ideas in here for social media or other, even print, that you can go through, presentations, and it's all in Canva and ready for you to customize. The other really cool thing about Canva is it allows you to house brand colors, fonts within Brand Kit. So if we click on Brand Kit, I'm going to show you guys this really quickly. You can upload your brand's logos, your brand colors, your brand fonts. This will make it really, really simple when we go dive into creating our own Pinterest graphic. So let me show you that. So say we're going to start from the beginning and we're going to create our own Pinterest design. We're going to go to Create Design and type in Pinterest. You can see there's a variety of different Pinterest pins. We're just going to stick with the Pinterest pin, and it shows you the sizing it is. This Pinterest pin is set exactly for the correct size. And it makes it really easy when we're uploading directly into Pinterest. It's already there for you. Now what we're seeing here on the side is templates. This pulls up recently used templates, pulls up video pins, it pulls up food pins, wedding pins, the list goes on and on. This also shows my most recent pin that I used, but say you wanted to create something for Father's Day coming up. This gives you ideas based on Father's Day. So you could start with one of these ideas. Say you were going to make a gift blog for dad. This might be a good one to start with. So let's click on that. So 10 gift ideas for the classy dad, and it's from the Suave Brothers blog. So I like the title, 10 gift ideas for the classy dad. I think that's great. Obviously, it's not the Suave Brothers blog, so we're going to edit that out, and maybe we'll do a little tweaking of the fonts and the colors. But before we do that, let's get our photo set first. So I like this picture, but maybe not for dad. So there's two ways to upload or download a photo into this Pinterest graphic. You can use the photos here. These are all free when you're on the updated Canva. So if you want to search for a picture of, say, a dad, we can pull that photo in, drag, and it fills the space. So this is a really cute picture. Say I had one of my own, maybe I'm a mom blogger, and I want to do a Pinterest pin for gift ideas for dad, but I have my own photo of my husband and my baby. Then I can upload that here. Simply click Uploads. You can drag and drop the image in, or you can upload it directly here from your computer. So we're going to go back here, and I like this photo, but I'm going to change up the copy. I'm going to move it, so I'm going to drag. And then I want the 10 ideas to maybe be down here. So I'm going to actually ungroup this text. And what I'm going to do is simply drag. See how it gives you lines? It kind of keeps things in line. So see those little lines? That means that that's centered. And then with the circle, it means that it is in alignment there as well. So let's realign it since I moved it. Great. Now, we're not the Suave Brothers blog, so I'm going to change that to Let's Get Social. I like gift ideas for the classy dad, so we're going to leave that, and then we're going to leave this wording as well. So this looks pretty good. I may move things around just to get them a little more centered. That's the OCD in me. That looks pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the colors of the font. So this is when I go back to Brand Kit. This is really cool feature of Canva. If you click here, and we're going to change all of this font color and this color on the circle. You can actually pull the text color here. And do you see how it has all the brand fonts that all the brand colors that I showed you earlier? They're all listed here. Or another really cool feature is photo colors. So this shows you all the colors in the photo, so you can kind of play around with those and know that it's going to look really good with the picture because it's not going to clash. I love that feature. You can also make things bold, italicized, underlined. You guys get the idea. So we're going to change the colors, and it's pretty simple to do so. Just start to click and change. Now there's not a lot of changing going on because the color is very similar to the current color, but we could change up that one. Say I want to change the font, simply click on it, pull down here, and you can start to type in a font that you maybe know really well, or you can use one of your recently used or your branded fonts. So all these uploaded fonts I showed you under Brand Kit, they're all here as well. So you can change that pretty simply just by clicking. Again, moving things in alignment, making things bold, bullets or lists. You guys can kind of play with this. The next thing I think is really important to show you is within elements. So say I wanted to put a picture on here that was not already in here. So say I wanted a new shape. Simply tap it, resize. Say I wanted it to go behind here. So a little more color, make that 10 pop just a little bit more. So I want 2 circles. I'm actually going to move this colored circle to the back because I want the smaller circle to be in front. So all I have to do is position and push it backward. And just by a couple taps on the keypad, I can get it centered up. Okay. So there's so many different things within here: shapes, frames, stickers, charts. I mean, the list goes on and on. So much to play with. So little time to go through that. So I'll leave you guys with that. Text, this allows you to easily bring in text. If you want to add something in, all you have to do is start typing and move it around. Very simple. This gives you some font combination ideas, which is great if you're not good at putting fonts together. I never am, so I use those a lot. If you want to add music, you can do that here. I don't typically do anything with videos, but you could definitely play around with videos if that's something you're into. This gives you all the backgrounds that are available for free. So say you're just making a simple pin and you want a background, just a simple background. All you have to do is click and it makes the entire background that pattern. So you can go through, there's a ton of different ideas here, but I'm going to back out. There are a couple other things you can do, especially to this photo. If you upload a photo, or say you pull a photo from another location and you want to adjust the brightness, all you have to do is go to filter at the top and you can change the filters. So we want to back out of that. You can actually adjust the brightness on your own. You can crop and you can flip. You can stretch it to make it larger and recenter. All right, so say I'm thrilled with this. It's very easy to save this to your computer and upload it into Pinterest. All you have to do is click here to download, keep it as a suggested PNG, and download. This will save it to your computer, and it's very easy from here to upload. Your design's been published. All right, guys, that's just a rough tutorial on Canva. I hope that helps get you started. As always, reach out to us if you guys have any problems with Canva or any other Pinterest problems. We're here to help.